ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीय। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 40 पूतना मोक्षम, द salvation of पूतना। भागवता स्कंदा 10 chapter 5 verse 19 to chapter 6 verse 30 is condensed in this dashaka. Shloka 1. तदनु नन्दमन्दशुभास्पदं नृपपुरीं करदानकृते गतं समवलोक्य जगाद भवत्पिता विदितकंससहाय जनोद्यमः। Word by word meaning. Tadanu, then. Karadana krite, to pay his tribute. Nrupa Purim Gatam, who had gone to the king's, that is Kamsa's city. Amanda Shubhaspadam, Amandanam, of very virtuous. Shubhanam, excellences. Aspadam, the abode of many virtues. Nandam, Nanda. Samavalokya, seeing. Vidita Kamsa Sahaya Janodhyamaha. Viditaha Kamsa Sahayanam Jananam Udyamam Yena Saha, who knew the activities of the supporters of Kamsa. Bhavat Pita, thy father. Vasudeva. Jagada, told Nanda. Full meaning. Then thy father Vasudeva, who knew the activities of the supporters of Kamsa in killing children, saw Nanda, the abode of many virtues, who had gone to the capital city of Mathura to pay his tribute, and told him as in the next verse. Om Tat Sat.